what's up? And I still can't get it. Anyways, hey guys, we're back, and we're doing Pokemon Black and White 2. And last episode, we defeated Sharon. Now, let's go. Get it. Now, let's see, upgrade your Pokedex. I know this is blurred, I'm sorry about that. So, we just found it out. Something? Where we're going. We have to... Sunkern! Okay, Sunkern, the weakest stat Pokemon. I know. You guys might actually like it. Well, this Pokemon has the weakest stats ever. And the calculations actually right. This guy will challenge you. This will be good training for my Riolu. Riolu reception! Get it? Okay. Oh, I'm almost dead. So next time we'll try to get there. See you guys then. And by the way, the next recording is going to be tomorrow.